This is a fun video because you can customize the color of your Tesla. It's customizing this display, not necessarily the actual outside color, but you see this display when you turn your vehicle on and off. And so what you're going to do is once the vehicle is on, you can press the bottom 3 buttons here and you can go to Toy Box. And you can see under Toy Box, there's all kinds of fun things. And Colorizer is where we're headed. You can hit Customize, and at that point you can take this wheel and you can press on it and you can go through any color that you want, any color of the rainbow. How cool is that? You can also pick between solid, metallic, and matte. So watch this. I'm going to pick this funky green color in a metallic. Let's lighten that up a little bit. And there we go. Then if I want to keep that, boom, I just press save. Or I can go to within all kinds of different colors within the green. I actually like that better. So I'm going to long press and delete that green because I like this one better. Then I'm going to save that one. Let's do a yellow or a gold. And then let's finish off with a cool red. Let's lighten that up a little bit. And boom. That is how to customize the color of your Tesla. Thanks for watching, everybody.